Here's a funny story. This is one of the earliest sweaters I knit. I was 14 when I started. And as you can see, it's Intarsia. I still have the magazine, an Icelandic magazine from '86. And there's a feature about a Danish abstract artist, and there are some sweaters based on his paintings. And I made this one. The story goes that I went with my hard-earned babysitting money to buy the yarn. I needed 6 colors, and it was 2,000 Icelandic kronas in that time, which was a bit much. But the lady in the shop, she refused to sell it to me. She said, "You're not going to knit this, so I'm not going to sell this expensive yarn to you." So I went and got my mom to come with me. And with her help, I bought the yarn. And for the next 2 years, I taught myself how to knit Intarsia. It's actually quite admirable to see how I pulled through this, because I had no idea. But 1986, finished in '88, I think. And it still fits.